Okay, so what we have here is my first synthesizer circuit, if you dare call it that. We have our glorified power supply here, the Arduino Uno. And then in there is a Schmitt triggered NAND gate, which is wired up with this capacitor here. And then we have our potentiometer that is nominally volume control, but it may not be. And then over here is our audio amplifier, so we can hear it. And then it goes into the speaker that we listen to. And then this is our oscilloscope to see what it looks like. So we're going to hook up power now and demonstrate. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, so as you can hear, there's a lot of noise in that. So we're going to hook up a capacitor for noise filtering. And you can see it clearly sounds much better now. This is the volume control here. You can see it clearly gets louder and quieter. And then we can adjust the frequency of this.
Another 2 hours.
Alright, so that is our audio amplifier synthesizer circuit. I think it sounds lovely, don't you?